So, Assalamualaikum everyone and good morning. And today we're going to present to you our group project. And this is myself, Muhammad Ihsan bin Zulkifli. And we have Salwa binti Salim and Nurul Ashikin binti Azmi. Alright, this is our introduction. The Slurp Retails is a leading provider for F&B point of sale systems. And this platform is to enhance our platform is to enhance the employee training with the interactive modules tailored to various roles. This platform also offers continuous education through a multimedia elements and real-life scenarios and allowing flexible, self-paced learning that improve competence, job satisfaction and reduce turnover. With these monitoring tools for managers to track progress, the platform ensures proficiency in POS systems, supporting Slurp Retail's commitment to exceptional service and operational excellence. Here are the problem statement. First, we have uneven training quality. The quality of training may differ greatly among various locations and trainers due to the lack of the standardized e-learning system. This inconsistency may create disparities in knowledge and skills among staff members, causing ineffective utilization of the POS system and a decline in overall operational productivity. The second one is a high expenses and time consumption. Conventional face-to-face training methods necessitate substantial financial resources and time, including travel costs, training supplies, and time away from daily tasks. This also can put a pressure to the company's finance and disturb the regular BAU or business as usual operations, resulting in decreased productivity. Our objectives are we need to improve the employee competence, improve the training availability and adaptability, maintain consistency and standardization, and lastly is track and enhance the training efficiency. To implement a true e-learning platform and offer extensive training on the POS system, this will be guaranteed the employees to have the essential expertise and abilities to carry out their duties, and to develop a readily available online teaching platform for employees to finish training courses at their preferred speed and convenience. To maintain the consistency, this will enforce a standardized training program in all branches to guarantee that all staff members get equal high quality training. To track and enhance training efficiency, incorporate strong tracking and evaluation tools in the e-learning system is to track the employees' progress, pinpoint areas for enhancement, and regularly enhance training material using data-driven insights and feedback. Alright, so I hand to Ms. Salwa.
Okay, now I'm sharing about the scope of the project. Our plan is to design an online system for Slurp Retails, include developing and integrating a full digital training platform that meets the unique requirement of the company staff. And also, we want to create an engaging training module for Slurp POS system, which covering a basic to advanced features, and we incorporating also video simulation and quiz to improve the participant and memory retention. This is our project title, e-learning website. Project manager, which is Muhammad Ihsan bin Zulkifli. Our project objective, which Mr. Ihsan has explained just now, there's 4: establish uniform training protocol at all sites, improve skills and productivity, and to minimize expense and duration of the training, and also develop strong tracking and evaluation instrument. Next is our project deliverables, knowledgenesst management system. We use that website, and we include also a user manual and training materials. Next is testing quality assurance report and also technical support. And our milestone, we have 4, which is project kickoff and requirement analysis within 1 or 2 months. Next is development of e-learning content within 3 to 5 months, and the pilot testing and feedback collection around 6 to 7, and also full implementation and training month 8 to 9. And our project constraint budget within 100,000 ringgit, and the completion date within 31st December 2024, and our integration with existing database in KNOWLEDGENEST system. And we hope that we can comply with the compliance and also the regulation. And our assumption on this activity, qualify and testing development resource, and also ability of the software and hardware. And we also hope no major changes to the project or objective. Next. Here are the project limitation, which is 4 limitation we found on this area. First one is the limited personal interaction, which is the learning system may not have the personal touch and immediate feedback from the training, in-person training, and also might not have the chance to ask immediate question and participate in conversation. And second one is technical issue. The online learning platform relies heavily on the technology, so it's related to the technology and a software glitch, and also unreliable internet connection, which can interrupt the learning experience and impede employee from completing the module. And then the non-tech savvy employee may struggle with a steep learning curve. We found that the digital tools and online learning platform potentially causing frustration and decreased engagement. And also assistance and instruction may be needed to assist this employee in adjusting to the new system. And then the last one is we found that absence of hands-on training. During this training, we find the simulated scenario that the learning system cannot fully replace the practical experience gained from in-person training. However, workers may struggle to apply what they learn online to the real-life situation without additional hands-on training session. Yeah. Next. This is our Gantt chart on the project phase and timeline, which is project kickoff and requirement analysis. From month 1 or 2 months, we will determine the objective and limits of the project. We also will collect necessary information from those involved, and also we will create the plan for project and establish a timeline. The creation of the online education material within month 3 to 5, we will develop interactive training module. Next, we will integrate various multimedia elements such as video, simulator, and quiz. And also, we'll evaluate and complete content with specialists in the field. And then the testing by pilot and project collection of feedback will take place during the 6 and 7 month, which is a release initial version of online learning platform, collect input from initial user and interest parties, recognize and deal with any problem or required changes. And then next is about the complete implementation and training will take place during month 8 to 9, which is to implement a complete e-learning platform for our staff member, hold training session for manager and trainers, and ensure all the staff member can use the platform and receive assistance. And next, monitoring and continuous improvement ongoing process. So to track how learning system is being utilized and its level effectiveness, gather the access information for measuring performance metric, and also will be revised or enhanced more training material according to the input and changes from the system. Next, about the software. Okay, we use 3 software in developing this, which is PHP MyAdmin. It's an open software-based administration tool for managing MySQL, and also it will provide an intuitive graphic interface for performing various database tasks, making it easier for user to interact with database without needing to use command line tool. And so next we use the mostly used by programmer, which is Visual Studio Code. Provide a robust versatile environment for coding, debugging, and deploying application. This VS Code also support a wide range of programming language out of the box, including Java, TypeScript, Python, C++, Java, PHP, and Go. And next is about the XAMPP. We will use XAMPP as a cross-platform web server that is both free and open source, and also is popular cross-platform web server that enable programmer to build and test programs on local server. And lastly, it was built by Apache friends and public is free, update or alter the native source codes. Next, I will hand over to Nur Ashikin for the next process. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hawa. So for today, I will do the demonstration for the how to sign up, log in for the knowledge system. So I will share the screen. Okay. So this is our homepage of the knowledge system, the e-learning. So first thing first, the user or participant can register the account. We can, for example, we key in the Anna and then Natasha, and then they select the gender female. The email address can be anna@gmail.com. So the password just key Anna 1234. So here we can hide and unhide the password. Then the last is the phone number. Then we can click create. So once we click create, and we save first. So the Anna, so I can log in the password. Then so once we can log in, so we will see the home page. So this is home page for the learning assignment for the participant. So as you can see, they have the home. Home is the first page you see right now. Then enrollment list. So here the participant can select the course and session, and the last one is the setting. So let's go for the enrollment list. After the registration, the user can log in and select the course. So for example, they can choose the Microsoft Azure and select the session of 1 to 3. So I will register for the session 1 and then click enroll. After the course successfully registered, if we go back to the home, it will show under the learning assignment, we show the I have registered for the Microsoft Azure. And if we go to the setting, here we can change the information such as first name, last name. Okay, I try to change the last name, for example. So we key in the password. Then the after save changes. So after the refresh, it will change the last name to Nabila. Okay, then we can try to log out. Okay, I will show you what if the user is not registered in this account. For example, I key in random name for Arif at gmail.com and key in random password 234, and then if log in, then it will show error, no user found with that email address. And the second one, the error I want to show is if we key in the anna@gmail.com, okay, and key in the wrong password, zero. So like this. So I try login. So it will show the invalid password. So if the user want to go back to the home page, then they can click the home page. So after go to the home page, they will see the knowledge e-learning system. That's all for the demonstration for the participant side. So the conclusion is the introducing e-learning system is a significant step for the sloped retail text for the training strategy, which is it will ensure the high quality post instruction for our employee. This flexible interactive platform boosts practical skill, effectiveness and service standard. It will addressing the technical and engagement challenge. It will offer the long-term advantage by growing with the company needs. This initiative strengthens the workforce and positions Celebrity as a leader in the food and beverage post industry. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.